Good morning. Thanks for your company on Monday, the 20th of July. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Well, the Aussie share market is eyeing a flat start to the week following a mixed session on Wall Street on Friday, where the Nasdaq and the S&P500 rose 0.3% each, while the Dow fell 0.2%. Across the week, the S&P 500 and the Dow rose, while the Nasdaq fell, weighed by Netflix's disappointing result. Now, that shift was quite telling as investors are shifting their focus away from growth tech stocks, moving to defensive investments. So you could expect more tech profits to be trimmed and put elsewhere. And locally, New South Wales is eyeing another lockdown and Victoria is in the thick of theirs. So attention this week will be turned to federal economic stimulus. We know the government plans to increase support to small and medium businesses, giving access to cheap and part guaranteed loans of up to $1 million from the 1st of October. That's an increase from $250,000. Now, this is all part of the second $66 billion stimulus package that'll be revamped, fleshed out and expanded in Thursday's economic statement. So that's definitely something to watch. Elsewhere, on the commodity front, the oil price trades exactly where it did on Friday, $40.59 US a barrel. The gold price, meantime, has pushed ahead with a flight to safety, pushing the commodity up to $1,811 US an ounce. The iron ore price last traded at $107.22. 11-month high neighbourhood. Now, what else to watch? Well, on Tuesday, the RBA Governor will give a speech and you'd expect bond buying or quantitative easing to be the talk of the town to stoke more fire into the economic's belly. The same day, the RBA minutes will be released from their meeting earlier this month. And on Thursday, the big thing to watch is the economic statement revealing record debt, huge deficit forecasts driven by massive increase in spending because of economic stimulus and falls in revenue. We'll also get the details of all that economic stimulus that we discussed a little earlier. Now to three trading ideas. Well, firstly, UBS initiated coverage of automotive retailer APE, giving it a buy rating and price target of $7.90. On Friday, APE closed 0.5% higher at $6.19. Now, APE, for those that don't know, is Australia's largest dealership group with over 11% of the new car market share, offering new and used vehicles, servicing, spare parts and financing as well. UBS expects the car market will consolidate, but APE's car sales per dealership will increase. Secondly, software provider Integrated Research, IRI, was downgraded by Bell Potter from a buy to a hold with a $4.25 target. On Friday, IRI rose 4.4% to $4 and it's collectively gained about 20% so far this year. Bell Potter forecasts high single-digit percentage growth in revenue and low double-digit percentage growth in net profit after tax for FY 21 and 22. And thirdly, Bell Potter downgraded engineering infrastructure company Service Stream, SSM, from a buy down to a hold with a $2.05 target. On Friday, SSM closed 1.3% lower to $1.86 after handing down results not quite what the market expected, with NBN results not quite cutting the mustard. Now, Bell Potter expects there to be about 9% upside in the stock, and then things could dampen due to operational pressures from COVID-19, plus expects NBN network build to slow. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Happy trading. Please stay safe.